Okay, now here you need to understand this is the fourth class actually, means present value, okay, of ordinary annuity. I have discussed about what is ordinary annuity, what is the annuity due, okay. So you can sequentially, in sequential order you can watch my videos, then you can understand it, okay. So now the present value, what is the meaning of present value? Suppose you want for example the pension plan. In the pension plan you want every year equal amount of pension to be paid to you, right? Okay, suppose for 5 years pension plan I am taking, or I want to get regular income of something, means up to 5 years or up to 10 years or up to 15 years. So for that regular income, in order to get the regular income, suppose you want to get every year 5,000 rupees per month. Okay, every year you are getting 5,000 rupees. So first year 5,000, second year 5,000, third year 5,000. So that 5,000 I am denoting by A. So after paying this certain amount you have to pay, right? You have to get that pension or to get that equal income from your investment, you have to pay certain amount, right? So that certain amount is called the present value. See, now if I am taking for example, just let me take for 1 year, then you will understand it better. Now here you are investing suppose 100 rupees, okay, and after 1 year if it is 5%, it is giving you the interest rate of 5%. You are investing in a bank or some any investment company, okay. So 5 years 5% per annum. So at the end of the, so today you are investing 0 means 100 rupees, and after 1 year how much amount you will be getting? 105 rupees. So that means the present value of 105 is what? How much? It is 100 rupees. The present value of 105 rupees is 100, means you have to go backward, right? Suppose here you are gaining the interest, so this is yielding you, right? This is, I should not show the arrow mark like this. So this 100 rupees becomes 105 after 1 year. So you are gaining positive, right? You are gaining here 5%. So this is, you are yielding. The amount is giving you some yield, right? Now similarly here what is happening, this value I don't know, this value I don't know. So here what you are doing, you are multiplying 100 into 1.05, right? 100 into 1.05, that gives me how much? 105, right? Now you want to receive a rupees of 105 after paying some amount here at the beginning of the year. So that is the present value, okay. And now from here to, you have to come back, right? You have to come back. So this amount will reduce. So what we will do, 105 divided by that percentage 1.05, okay, this gives me 100 rupees. So hope you have understood what is the present value, right? So this is what the present value. So now you are paying it now, and you want to gain at equal interval of time certain amount. So this is what the present value of 105. So suppose you are every year you want 105 rupees to be gained for how many years? So for that we are going to do the calculation, okay. For that we are going to do the calculation. So let me start here. So present value, I am denoting it by P. So as is it is the ordinary annuity. Ordinary annuity means at the end of every year you are paying your annuity, right? So at the end of first year you are paying A, at the end of second year you are paying A, at the end of third year you are paying A. So like that till nth year you have to, because total n terms, total n years you have to pay, right? Means total annuity, number of annuity should be n. So if you are starting from 1, then you have to end at n. If you are starting from 0, you have to end at n minus 1, right? So anyway, now this A, if you see from here to here, from here till this. The present value, now you are getting this A, right? You are getting after 1 year, you are getting this A value. So what should be this value? This value, if you notice, it will be same as here it is. This is A, this rate of interest. Okay. So what you are getting? A divided by 1 plus of I. Am I correct? A divided by 1 plus I. Let me change the color. Now, next one. So A divided by 1, because if I is the rate of interest, then you have to, the present value will be A divided by, here I have shown you, here A divided by 1 plus I. 1 plus I is how much? 1.0. See, 1 plus I, 5% I am taking 0.05. So that gives me 1.05 or not. So this is what I have written here. Again, now in order to gain A after end of second year, how much should be the present value? After the second year means at the end of the second year, right? End of the first year, 1 plus of I. End of the second year, square. End of the third year, 1 plus I cube, right? Plus dot 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 dot. End of the nth year, here, isn't it? So this is the n minus of 1th year. Here you have to pay, and this should give you this one. So this will give me A by plus here 1 plus I raised to the power, right? Okay, 1 plus of I raised to the power. See, when it is the for first year, at the end of the first year, power is 1. At the end of the, this is what nth year will be, power of n minus n, isn't it? See, at the this value is what? This is the present value at the beginning, actually, not end. This is at the beginning. Am I correct? Beginning of first year. This was the beginning of second year. Look here, this was this amount, this I am showing you here, this amount was at the beginning of first year. If you pay, then only after 1 year you will be getting A, right? So similarly, in order to get A here you have to invest something. That amount will be how much? From here, from this beginning you have to start. See, at the at the beginning of the second year, how much will you pay so that you will get A here? So from here it is coming, power is how much? Here you see, this is this one is for 1, 2, 3, right? Here, see, this is 1, 2 and 3 here, this place, right? At the end of the beginning of the second year, that is for third install, for third means excuse me. Okay, so at the beginning of the first year you are paying A by 1 plus I amount, means this much of amount will give you the amount of rupees A after 1 year, right? Similarly, this is the amount you are paying at the beginning of the second year, right? At the beginning of the second year, then only you are getting A amount at the second year, means first year and second. First year A amount, second year also A amount. So this is the amount you are paying at the beginning of second year, right? This is the amount you are paying at the beginning of third year. Means in order to get that A amount every year, right? Similarly, this is the amount. This will be here, power will be what? So here I am paying here, right? This place. So this is the beginning of the n minus of 1th year. So I will be paying n minus of nth year, actually. This is the nth year, beginning of the nth year, right? N minus of 1 means this is the beginning of nth year. So this much I am paying, right? Beginning. And this won't gain any. This will be whatever you are paying here, how much you are paying this amount you are paying here, right? This amount you are paying here, this amount you are paying here, this place, and for that only you are getting it. Am I correct? So this is over, right? So what we can do, I can take, let me change the color, I can take a by 1 plus I can take common. So what I am getting here, 1 by 1 plus of I, 1 by 1 plus of I the square, plus dot 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 plus a by 1 plus of I n minus of 1, right? Sorry, a won't be there, this will be 1. Now what I will do, I will take the LCM of I will take that out, 1 plus of common factor, I will take it as n minus of 1. So the first term will give me 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 1. The second term will give me 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 2 plus dot 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 plus here the last term, before this term will be n minus of 2, right? Then only it is going to n minus of 1. So this will give me 1 plus of I and plus 1. This is what I am getting, right? Okay, now I'll simplify it, simple algebra. So this gives me 1 plus of I raised to the power n, these two multiplication together. Now I'll rearrange the term, I'll write like this, 1 plus of I, 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of okay, 1 plus I, square I'll take, square, okay. And then plus, come to this term, 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 2 plus of 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 1, right? This is what we are getting here. Now this is again in GM, geometric series actually, not progression, not M, geometric series actually. Okay, this is now geometric series means A is 1 into R raised to the power n, R raised to the power n, let me take this bracket, minus 1 divided by R minus 1, right? Because total n terms will be there. If you count it, see, when it is the second term, power is 1. When it is the third term, power is 2. When it is the nth term, it will be power n minus of 1, isn't it? So this is the nth term actually. So this gives me what? This gives me, finally let me write the value in other color. So this gives me P is equal to A by I 1 plus of I raised to the power n and 1 plus of I raised to the power n minus of 1, right? This is what I am getting, the present value, okay, of ordinary annuity. Next class we will discuss about the same present value of ordinary annuity, and other is what annuity due. Yeah, for annuity due we will be getting. Okay, thank you.